It's recording. Okay. Hi, my name is Edhem, and this is my individual contribution for our cse341 final project, team interest project. Uh, I was in different team, so since I left alone, I tried to join another team in the group, and I tried to make things work for me. So in this project, I have implemented the favorite books API, which allows users to manage their favorite book, including viewing, adding and updating and deleting the book records. First, as you see that I have the VS Code open, and I would like to show you here my routes. As you see that I have set the two get all and get book by ID in public routes that you don't need to log in. But posting, adding book, updating book, and deleting book, I have added it in the protected route, so only users or allowed users will be able to do the testing and the other things. Also, I have here controllers, which is controlling all the book for get all with, of course, with the schemas, and of course with the swagger tag. As you see, we have get all, get book by ID, and then we have add book, and we have the create with array that will add the book one, book two, and different things with using validation error. Also, we have update book. Also, it has some validated and error handling. And finally, we have delete book. And of course, in the controller, we have to export all. For this video, I would like to show you also my tests, which we have created some test for the whole project. Here, my test for the favorite book, if my code will run the test correctly or not. And here some another tests from our teams that created for language, for movies, for scriptures, etc. For me, first I would like to run the npm test favorite books test.js, which would be my individual contribution. So as you see that I have added I have added the command in the terminal. So we have to just wait for the test to be able to run. So as you see, it's running the test now. Yep, it's trying to inject from that env to be able to connect to the MongoDB. So it's connected to the MongoDB and it's running the other tests. Okay, for making the time, I will just pause the recording and open the recording back, I guess. Oh no, it's done. Okay, as you see, all the tests are passed. The total time 47 seconds. As you see, the test suites one passed, one total, and test six passed out of six. So what it did in favorite books in public roads, it got and all the things that book by ID, book by update by ID, put, delete, post, everything is tested correctly. So now I would like to show you the online link in the render. So as you see, we have added everything in this team interest GitHub. So when you go to team interest, as you see, you go to the users. Also, you go to the users. As you see, we have other teams, which is in our GitHub. So we have to log in first with the GitHub. As you see, it needs to be authenticated. So as you see that I have added myself in my GitHub. So it will, like, this middleware will ensure that there is authenticated middleware. This is the only logged in users can add, update, or delete books. If you are not logged in, you will only be able to see the books on. So as you see here, it says log out because we log in successfully. Once you go to the API documents, as you see here, it's authorized. So we have some, as you see, we have some gets all programming language from our teammate. So let's execute this. So I think this will not work because I log in only for my get favorite books. So let's try it out, our book. As you see that I get the sample books A and B, which is already there. So let's try to post a book, try it out. Let's try to put my name. So as you see, we have added the book under this ID. So let's try to get favorite book by ID. So as you see, the book was there and we have successfully added the book. Also, let's make the book, update the book. As you see, we have added the book ID. So let's keep it as it is, update title, update author, and the other things. So as you see, it's updated the title and everything. And finally, we have to delete the book. As you see that we will be able to delete the book for now. So book deleted successfully. If you try to go delete it again, you will see that the book is not fine. It's not found. So in conclusion, as in a summary, that I implemented and tested the favorite books feature, including full CRUD operations, Swagger documentation, and JET test coverage, which we use in JET test in our script. Uh, so this concludes my individual contribution to the cse341 team interest project. Thank you for watching all.